Now, this is how you can block specific websites on your kid's iPad. Now, let me show you how it works. And if it's your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything. Now, of course, what you have to do is to open up the settings app of your iPad, and it's actually part of the screen time section. So scroll through the options, and what you have to do is to click on content and privacy restrictions. At first, it's going to show you one toggle at the top of the page. You have to enable that, with the click of a button, and then scroll down a little bit, or at least you can find it right away. It is called App Store, Media, Web, and Games. That is the section we want to get into, right? So you can click on it like so, and this is where you control the web content. So you can find it like this, and you can see that by default it might be unrestricted, so you can do it through a different way. So you can either limit some websites or use or allow only approved websites. So when you click on only approved, it's going to show you only 6 or 10 websites which are going to work. Perhaps you don't want to do that, because if we just want to block specific websites, you have to click on the limiting options and make sure to click on the never allow and add the website in here. So you can literally paste the URL like this, and this website will never work on the iPad. So that's very useful, because you can make sure that this is simply not going to load up on that particular iPad. So that's very useful. One more thing though is that these settings inside of the screen time like that, you can also just lock those settings, because it's possible that someone else might perform some changes on it, and you want to click on unlock screen time settings, come up with a passcode which is going to be different from the one you use to unlock the iPad, so you can separate things, and this is going to be the passcode for these changes. So it's going to make sure that only you can just switch it back or perform the different edits for these websites or whatever you want to do. So I really hope that I can help you out with it in this quick video. Let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.